In addition to uploading documents from my computer's hard drive, I can also add documents from a variety of third-party storage solutions. Currently, we support SharePoint, OneDrive, Box, and Dropbox, with others coming soon. To do this process is very similar to uploading documents from my computer, with the biggest difference being that I need to sign into one of these storage providers and choose my documents from there. So I'm going to use Box really quickly as just an example. What you'll get is a popover from that storage solution asking you to log in. I don't have a Box account, so I'm going to cancel that. But I do have a Dropbox account, and as you can see, in fact, as I log in and use these, they will show up here under local docs. So currently I am connected to Dropbox and OneDrive. So I'm going to choose my Dropbox here by clicking on that. That will open up this picker, and from there I can navigate to wherever I want. So in this case, I'm going to click on Dokigami. Now notice if I click the selection here, I can choose Dokigami, and that is going to then connect this entire folder. I don't want to do that, so in this case I'm going to click just Dokigami. I'll be given this right here, and then I want to make the selection. That's not the same on every provider, but these are actual popovers from the storage provider, so just make sure you play around with those to see how properly to select those. So I'm going to choose this MSA reports here, click choose, and that will then put this folder in the docs to add. So similarly to uploading something from my computer's hard drive, that will be added to this queue. And then I can continue to add more docs if I want. I'm not going to do that in this case, but I do want to point out this auto sync over here. So what this means is this allows me to have Dokigami auto sync this folder so that as I add other documents to it, they will then be pushed up into this folder in Dokigami without me having to manually do it. And then I can use those future documents whenever they come in. And in most cases, then when they come in, they'll actually be processed and added to the doc sets that they're appropriate to. One thing I want to note is that while this auto syncs the documents themselves, it does not update a document that has been edited. So if you edit a document in one of these and then want that edited version to show up in Dokigami, you would need to then create that as a separate document. So I'm just going to say finish here. That's going to start the processing just like it does when I've uploaded from my hard drive.